Yo YouTube, what up? This is GHale52295. Okay, I'm in the process of opening packs of 91 NFL Pro Line football. I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 packs left, and I was just recording a video for it, but I opened 8 packs and got absolutely nothing, pretty much. I think this is the set of the Brett Favre rookie, but PM me if I'm wrong about that or something. So, I'm still, videotaping this, basically, from the first 8 packs. The only cards that were decent, Walter Payton, Gale Sayers, sorry, the names are on the back of these, Joe Gibbs, Roger Staubach, and Eric Dickerson, and then a friend of ours, Russell Maryland. So those are the only ones from there. So, and then I did open 2 cello packs of these like jumbos, and there's a set out of 5. We got number 1, which was Troy Aikman, Jim Kelly. The next one, which was Jim Kelly and Mike Ripon. So those were that. That was that. I've still got 10 packs to go. So. Okay. Alright. So, let's see. Keith McCannis. Hold on. Mike Ditka. Ooh. Jerry Rice. Hey, Austin, did you pull Brett Favre? No. Okay. I don't think he's in this, then. Alright. Vinny Testaverde, Otis Anderson, Rod Woodson. Not too bad. Jim Kelly. John Elway. Gary Anderson. He's one of the all-time point scorers for kickers. Don Shula. My pack of bases. That big so far. 6 packs to go. I'm not sure if I'm going to open all of them. I might save a couple for... I don't know why. Jimmy Johnson. Franco Harris. Guys, be sure to enter my contest. It's going on right now. Check my channel for the video. It's the last one I recorded. So, alright, another Russell Maryland. Troy Aikman. Not that I think a lot of you guys will be, but if any of y'all are interested in these, feel free to PM me. Warren Moon. Two packs to go, guys. This is the first one of these I've seen. What the heck? It's a Phylicia Rashad, and it says she's the wife. Like, right there on the back, that's where I'm reading off the names. And it says, hold on. The top right there, Phylicia Rashad, and then over there, it says wife. And normally, on one, like I'll show you this one. Whoops. Like it says the player's name, and then it says the position, like right there. So, just thought I'd point that out. Another Eric Dickerson and another Joe Gibbs. Alright. Last pack. Okay. Reggie Barrett, Leroy Horde, Steve Young, Dwayne Bickett, Mike Singletary, Lawrence Taylor, Myron Guyton, Lonnie Young, Roger Staubach, Bernie Kosar, Mark Forts, and Neil Anderson. So that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. This ridiculously long video. I'm sorry about that. So, basically, enter my contest. Second prize is going on right now. Ends January 15th. All the info is in that video. So, that's that. If y'all are interested in any of these cards, feel free to ask, PM me, whatever you like to do, comment. I check all those. So, yeah, that's that. I'm going to go put these aside now. Y'all have a great rest of your day, rest of your week, whatever. Happy holidays. Peace out. Peace.